Hey guys, it's Chris from Steeda, and today we're going to go over an install and review for the Morimoto XP LED license plate lights fitting your 2015 plus Mustang S550. These Morimoto XP LED license plate lights are direct fit replacements for the factory LED housing that come in your S550 already. Now, why would you upgrade? These are a brighter, whiter light. So if you're looking for a cost-effective upgrade to the rear end of your S550, then this is it. It's a high-quality molded ABS plastic construction, and it's plug and play. Installation's super easy, so let's dive in. All you have to do is pop out the factory housing, unplug it, plug in the new Morimoto housing, and pop it in. Only tool you need is a pick, so we'll dive right in. So as you can see on the Morimoto housing, there's a clip here that's accessible from the bottom. So all you need to do on the factory housing is get your pick on the other side of this clip, push it in, and pull out at the same time. It's really easy. Once you get one side out, the other side should just kind of come with it. Definitely been racing this car a little bit. Comes right out. You can see the difference between the factory housing and the Morimoto housing. Morimoto is also lighter too. Weight is the enemy of performance after all. Before you plug it back in, grab the key, make sure it works, pop it in. Now that both lights are on, you can see the difference between the Morimoto unit and the factory unit in terms of brightness. And just like that, your installation's complete. And that about wraps things up for this install, the Morimoto XP LED license plate lights for your S550 Mustang. Really brightens up the rear of our Q350 EcoBoost. Installation was super easy, plug and play. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, notification bell if you want to see more videos come across your phone. Comment below, let us know what you think of the LED license plate lights on our Q350 EcoBoost. And don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.